Which side do you think is the Huda side? Which side do you think is the Fenty side? Can you even tell? Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dr. Ciri here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, I am going to be comparing the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara to the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara so that we can see which one is the best. And if you watch until the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the rules to enter a giveaway. Yes, a giveaway. I'm doing my first giveaway. The gift will be one of these two mascaras. Now I'm going to have it shipped to you straight from Sephora, straight from Fenty, or straight from Huda, so that way you know that it's brand new, never been used, because that's just gross. So it'll be a brand new mascara of your choice. Watch till the end of the video so that you can see how to enter the giveaway. Let me know in the comments which mascara you think is gonna win. Will it be Huda? Will it be Fenty? Will it be a tie? Who knows? Before I get into this comparison, do me a favor and click that subscribe button and tap the notifications bell so that way you never miss an upload from me. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to be starting off with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And this stuff is the bomb. Alright, which foundation? Let's do Juvias. Let's do Juvias. I am in the shade Aruba. And with this foundation, a little bit goes a long way, okay? And I'm starting in the center of my face and working my way out when I blend it.
Because this video is really all about the Fenty versus Huda mascara, I very well may speed through this part.
Next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. So how are y'all doing out there in the middle of this quarantine, COVID pandemic? What's good? How are y'all living? What I really want to know is how you all are doing your makeup, because I'm about to start doing forehead only makeup because it's a waste of makeup to put on a full face and then put a mask over it. Now we should all be wearing our masks, but we don't need to be wasting makeup. It's entirely too expensive to go to waste.
Blended, blended, blended. Okay.
So I'm going to take my Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm going to fold my little puff. The other thing I want to know is which of these mascaras do y'all think is going to win? I have been using the Fenty Full Frontal for a while. Whenever you see me with the makeup look in these videos, I'm always using the Fenty Full Frontal because it's just bomb. So I'm interested to see how this Huda Beauty mascara works because this will be the first time I'm trying it. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown, and we are going to get these brows together. Let me know in the comments if y'all would like to see a brow tutorial from your girl, because I can do one. I can dedicate a whole video to these brows. They don't look alike. I know I said in the previous video that eyebrows are supposed to be like close relatives, like first cousins or sisters and not twins, but sometimes my eyebrows don't even look like they live on the same block. You see what I'm saying? Like they don't look like they even ever knew each other. But we make it work. Alright, she's done. Let's see what we can do with her stepsister. They look related. Close enough. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in medium tan.
With a fluffy brush. And wipe all this away.
I am going to take my Fenty bronzer. I'm like scared to even click my brush on this little component for fear that it will wake my child up. She's knocked out though. She is a really good sleeper. I'm sorry I'm so quiet, y'all. I really have no motivation to talk about anything because my child is asleep. Like I just really want to be quiet. Ron, stop.
Alright, my camera paused and needed to cool off for whatever reason, I don't know why. The only thing I did off camera was put a little bit of concealer on my eyelid to carve out where I want my shadows to go. And the last thing you saw should have been me putting my bronzer in my crease to serve as my transition.
The next thing I'm gonna use is this mini palette, the Violets from Juvia's Place. This is my first time trying Juvia's shadows, period. Like the first time that I'm trying her shadows out. And I hear they are super pigmented. I'm gonna take Peach Twist by MAC. My camera needed to cool off again, so it just shut off and it's back on now. So only thing I did off camera was put a little bit of that eyeshadow from my lid onto, or the same eyeshadow that I put on my lid onto my lips. Let's get into these mascaras. So here is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. And I bought a brand new mini of the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. The reason I bought a mini is because I've been using the Fenty Full Frontal and I didn't want to compare my used Fenty Frontal to a brand new Huda Beauty. And they're about the same size. This side is for volume. This side is for curl and length. The Fenty is supposed to be able to do the same things, but with this brush. See how it's fat on one angle and then flat on the other? Well, I am going to start with the curl and length side because that's what I want. I want lengthy lashes. So this side, my right side will be my Huda side, and my left side will be my Fenty side. And again, we are starting with the curl and length brush. And I have no lashes, so now let's switch to the volume side. See why she calls it legit lashes. All right, now let's see how the Fenty stands up against the Huda. So I'm taking my mini that's brand new. Just took it out of the box. Let me see if these wands are the same size. Yeah, they are. Okay. When you use mascara, you don't want to do that to get more product out. You want to just twirl the product around inside of the tube. Doing the pumping method gets more air into the mascara and makes it dry out sooner. So
Dr. Ciri told you.
So I'm starting with the flat side. Let's use the fat side. And I'm doing it in this order because the flat side of the Fenty brush does the same thing as the curl and length side of the Huda brush. And I did go back in once I switched sides because technically with the Huda, when I switched sides, it was a new dip, so. I don't know. What do y'all think? Huda? Fenty? It's 10 p.m. I'm literally about to wash this off my face and go to sleep. These are pajama lashes right now. I forgot to apply my setting spray, so you are going to see me do that now. All right, so I don't know. I honestly do not know who won. They both look really, really good. They just both look really good. If I had to say that I noticed a difference, it would be on the Huda side. And I noticed that these lashes are a little bit longer than the Fenty side. They both get a point for size, okay? They're both equally a large amount of product. And the price, the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara retails for $24. And you get 0.42 fluid ounces in the component. For Huda, the cost is $27, so pretty comparable. And you get 2 times 0.28 fluid ounces. That is 0.56 fluid ounces total. So they're pretty comparable in terms of size. They're pretty comparable in terms of price. They're pretty comparable in terms of how they volumize your lashes. And as far as length goes, and I mean, I don't know. I feel like the Huda side lengthened my lashes better. But then again, who knows if my lashes are just a little shorter on this side. I don't know. But I'm a fan of both. I can't pick. I really love them both. Let me know what you guys think. Now, as promised, I'm going to tell you how to enter this giveaway if you want one of these amazing mascaras. Rule number 1 for the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel.
Why aren't you subscribed to my channel?
It's free. It costs you nothing. Just subscribe to my channel. That's rule number 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Rule number 2, you have to comment below and let me know which mascara you think was the winner. And for a bonus entry, you need to be following me on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram, don't worry. I'm not gonna only select people who did the bonus entry by following me on Instagram. So yeah, so those are the rules of the giveaway. And I will announce the winner a week from today. So my upload days are Tuesday. So today, well, I mean, it's not Tuesday right now, but as you're watching this, it will be Tuesday. So the next Tuesday, I will announce the winner. That is all I have for you all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.